Mission sir, good day. My name is Julia Julieta. My short name is Lia. I am from Medan. Today I want to presentation about various kinds of aircraft fuel. Fuel. Fuel is a material that can be converted into energy. Usually, fuel contains thermal energy that can be recycled and manipulated. Most of the fuel used by humans through the combustion process, where the fuel will release heat after being reacted with. Kinds of fuel. 1. Solid fuel. Solid fuel are used for the external combustion engine, including water or coal. This type of fuel is not suitable for internal combustion due to its low combustion rate, low heating fuel, and many other adverse factors. Number 2. Gas fuel. Widely used for internal combustion, but it needs a relatively large speed, so that is not used for aircraft fuel. For example, natural gas and LPG or liquid propellant gas. Number 3. Liquid fuel. It's ideal for internal combustion. Liquid fuel are classed into two, namely non-volatile and easy fuels, volatile or volatile. Non-volatile fuel is a heavy fuel used in diesel engines. Fuel in aircraft. Aircraft fuel depends on the engine used by the airplane itself. There are only two aircraft fuel, namely after and avgas. After stands for aviation turbine fuel, fuel used for aircraft that use turbine engine or jet engine slang. And avgas is crude oil, just like other fuel such as diesel, LPG, gas, and so on. Gas. Aviation gasoline. Avgas is aircraft fuel for piston engine aircraft. Avgas is a fuel that is processed from gasoline, which is more refined in terms of volatility, boiling point, freezing point, and flash point. A. Avgas 100 ASTM D until 910 or DEF stand 91 until 90. The character of Avgas 100 are high octane because additives are added, namely lead is very dangerous to human health. The color of gas is green. This is, for example, Avgas in 100. Color green. Gas 100 LL. Same as Avgas 100 but add with the letters LL or low lead. This type has less level, so it is safer than Avgas 100. Color of this fuel is blue. This is, for example, Avgas 100 LL. Color is blue. Avgas 82 UL ASTM 9227. Used for aircraft engines that have low compression ratio. This type is not lead or lead to increase the octane number. Color of type is the purple. This is, for example, color is purple. Aviation turbine fuel. Aviation course if avgas is for piston engine aircraft. If after is for turbine gas or jet engine aircraft. If after is for turbine gas or jet engine aircraft. Avgas is processed from gasoline or gas, meanwhile after is processed from course. The properties contained in course used for cooking and lamp or teflon. Lamps are the origin of after. Civil version commercial aircraft for airlines. After for the civil version is divided into three, namely Jet A1, Jet A, and Jet B. Below is table comparing that characters between Jet A and Jet 1. Table 2 until 1 character of Jet A and Jet A1. This is, for example, military aircraft version. After military version using the symbol GP or jet propellant, among other things. 1. GP for namely aviation fuel, which has a very low freezing point. NATO codes for the aviation fuel the 4T. as FTEC, and in the civilian version the GP4 is Jet B. 2. The GP5 is yellow aviation fuel and has a freezing point of 46 degrees Celsius. NATO coded name is the fuel 40 for the Afghan. C. GP8 is the most widely used aviation fuel because the GP8 is a GV-A1. In this civilian version, NATO chose in the code F-34. Aircraft flow-through fuel system. An airplane will not fly if there is not fuel to fill it. You should say that fuel is an important requirement for an airplane to fly. In addition to fuel, there will definitely be a system that runs it on the plane. A fuel will not work if there is no system working in it. The aircraft fuel functions to provide a clean filtered fuel flow.